ducks. Those poor ducks. Yeah, it is really coming down. Yeah. Winds are fierce, up to 60-mile-per-hour gusts. Yeah, it's raining. Boy, I'm surprised that there wasn't a tornado for Elkin this morning. We'll sit right here just for a second, buddy. Oh, the phone, Jimbo. Yeah, we're gonna walk out and check it out. Just un momento. That's a strong one. Definitely a strong one. This is a strong one, buddy. Oh yeah. Let's go out and look at it, shall we? All right. Let's go. Glad we went out when we did, Zeusy. Come on, let's go. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, Jake. There we are again. There we go again. We're flooded. We's flooded, huh, Zeus? Craziness. Look how weird that tree looks. There is nothing, no leaves on top of the branches coming up. Just on the bottom, lower branches. On the top one. Weird. Anyway, yeah, there's lightning, thunder, everything with this. The lightning, thunder, straight line winds. It's all with this one. So pretty much all day. Off and on. This one lasts till 10:30, I think. This warning. Yep. Okey-dokey. Well, I showed you some. If it gets worse, I will video it for you. All right, man.